Now, zooming in and out of an image is something you're going to find you're going to need or want to do just about with every image that you work on in Photoshop. And there are a number of ways to achieve that result. And I'll give you the basic one. Here is the zoom tool at the bottom of the toolbar right here. And when we click on it, we bring it over into the image. The icon changes to a magnifying glass with the plus mark in the middle of it. And if I left click, it zooms in incrementally. And if, let's say I put the zoom tool right there, it will then zoom in on that item. And then I can hold down the space bar, move it over here, continue to zoom in. So you see how that works. Now, the options bar up here changes whether left click, zooming in or zooming out. Now I'm zooming out and I left click. Okay, I'll go ahead and change that back to zoom. Now, if I happen to be in the zoom in mode, I can press the Alt key to change to the zoom out. So I can zoom out, let go, zoom in, press the Alt key, zoom out as many times as I want to. And notice that when I push the Alt key, how it changes. Push, let go, push, let go. Okay? Look at this up here. Push, let go. Okay? That's how the zoom tool works. Now let's say again I'm in the crop tool and I want to zoom in just a little bit. All I have to do is hold down the Alt key. Now notice the icon doesn't change, but if I turn the wheel on the mouse and I push the wheel away from me, it zooms in. If I pull the wheel towards me on the mouse, then it zooms out all the way to, wherever you want it to go. So obviously you're going to use the zoom tool just about every time you work on an image in Photoshop. I'll come down here and choose the tool again. And one of the other options that you have on the option bar are to zoom all windows. Let's say you've got a multi-window view going up. If you want to zoom in all windows at the same time, then of course you can do that by checking this box. So there's the zoom tool. It's a very simple, uncomplicated tool, but it's one you'll use just about every single time you do image manipulation in Photoshop CS6.